Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am gonna tell you how to make South Indian egg bhurji. For this, take a kadai, add 2 teaspoons of oil and add 7 to 8 curry leaf. Now add half a teaspoon of grated ginger. Saute a bit and then add 5 to 6 cloves of finely chopped garlic. Cook for a couple of seconds. Now add 2 teaspoons of finely chopped green chili and 1 medium size sliced onion, and cook till onion is pink. So our onion is cooked. Now we will add 3 finely chopped tomato. Mix it well. Cook for 1 minute. Now add salt. Mix it well. Add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of coriander seed powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala, half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Mix it well and cook till tomato is soft. Now lower the flame and add 1 by 1 4 eggs. After adding egg, stir it continuously for approximately 1 minute till egg is cooked properly. After adding egg, stir it continuously till 1 to 2 minutes or till egg is done properly. So our egg is cooked. Now add green coriander for freshness. Mix it well. You can add a little bit of tomato ketchup for extra moisture and little sweetness to the dish, and mix it well, and your South Indian egg bhurji is ready. Garnish it with tomato ketchup and serve it with bread. So must try South Indian egg bhurji.